jumping with force on the opposite side of the Earth. The Earth will deviate from its orbit and get a little closer to the Sun. The closer it gets to the Sun, the stronger the Sun's gravity becomes. At this time, the increased solar gravity will pull the Earth in a bit more. The Earth should eventually collide with the Sun. But why has the Earth been in a stable orbit for 4.6 billion years? You might think it's because human power is too small to have any impact on Earth's orbit at all. But what if it were a meteor? You should know that the Earth has been struck by meteors countless times. There must have been one impact that affected Earth's orbit and pushed the Earth slightly towards the Sun. So why hasn't the Earth collided with the Sun? This is because when the Earth is nudged towards the Sun a bit, the Sun's gravity will also increase the Earth's speed. Even though the gravity near the Sun is stronger, the Earth's speed will also continue to increase. Eventually, the Earth will move away from the Sun. In the meantime, when the Earth is moving away from the Sun's gravity will cause it to slow down. The Earth will then turn back and start a new cycle. Amazingly, the increase in solar gravity and the increase in Earth's speed achieve a balance. Thus, the Earth behaves like a marble at the bottom of a bowl, remaining in its orbit. Even if the Earth gets hit, it can still recover to its orbit. This balance is extremely special, and it exists as a result of mainly thanks to the number of dimensions of the space we are in. In fact, this stable orbit only exists in three-dimensional space. If space had 4 dimensions, the intensity curve of solar gravity would be slightly steeper. At that point, the Earth would never be able to orbit the Sun. Because when the Earth gets a bit closer to the Sun's gravity will significantly increase. The Earth will not have the speed to escape. Eventually, the Earth will collide with the Sun. If space had only 2 dimensions, the intensity curve of solar gravity would be gentler. At that point, the Earth would never be able to orbit the Sun. Because when the Earth is close to the Sun, the gravitational pull on the Earth would be insufficient for it to maintain a stable orbit. The Earth would eventually follow a slightly curved trajectory and brush past the Sun. Therefore, we are very fortunate to live in a three-dimensional space. Only here are there stable orbits. If there were no stable orbits, planetary systems and galaxies would not exist. And of course, there would be no life as we know it.